Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to verify Cash App Card for Samsung Pay. Alright, let's begin. Open the latest version of Samsung Wallet and ensure your profile is properly set up. You will see an option to add a payment card. You can either scan your card to autofill details or manually enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. However, many users report that even after correctly entering the details and ensuring their Cash App card is verified and has sufficient balance, Samsung Wallet still does not accept it. Unlike Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, Samsung Wallet does not provide an option to add the Cash App card directly. Samsung Wallet restricts certain financial service providers it does not recognize as traditional banks. Because of this, Cash App cards are not eligible for direct addition. There are no reliable workarounds at the moment. One possible solution is linking your Cash App card to PayPal. Once added to PayPal, you might be able to use it as a payment option within Samsung Wallet. So that's basically how you can verify Cash App card for Samsung Pay. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!